Let's have a look at Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine, model number EP5547-94. Welcome to advanced Techno world. Easy selection from 20 coffee varieties. Enjoy 20 recipes from espresso, latte, and cappuccino to refreshing iced coffee. Our calibrated system ensures iced coffees deliver the same rich, delicious flavor as hot drinks. Silky smooth froth with LatteGo system. LatteGo automatically prepares silky smooth milk froth for your milky coffees with various types of milk. LatteGo is the fastest clean milk system ever. 2 parts, no 2 lose 1. Instant brewing with QuickStart function. No more waiting for your machine to warm up. Our QuickStart function allows you to power on your machine and brew a coffee right away. Your machine will heat up based on the selected recipe. Silent brew technology. Immerse yourself in the delightful aroma of your coffee with our patented silent brew technology. Reduce the machine sounds by 40% versus earlier models by using sound shielding and quiet grinding. Easy coffee selection and customization. Use the modern touch display with colored icons to choose your favorite drinks. Adjust strength, length, and milk volume. Then save your preferences in one of 2 user profiles for quick access. Capacity 1.8 liters. Item dimensions DXWX H9.69, HDX 14.61, WX 17.05. H item weight 3.6 pounds. Number of items 1 unit. Count 1.0 count.